Meanwhile, as the country reflects on peace and discipline, we saw a separate fascinating post from Justice and Constitutional Affairs Minister Norbert writing in what he calls his Kyankwanzi diary. Mao shared a glimpse into the rigorous life of leadership training.
Hello, fellow Ugandans. This is Norbert Mao. I'm back at the National Leadership Institute, Kyankwanzi. You recall that the last time we were here, it was a different kind of setting. The newly elected members of the 12th Parliament gathered here for an orientation. The way things went at that time was bracketed by a contest of who would be the Speaker of the House. There was a lot of tension. I remember when I arrived here, I felt like a pariah. Many people didn't even want to talk to me. People didn't want to take pictures with me. There was an environment of tension. I was being presented as an outsider. But a lot of water has flowed under the bridge since then. So we are back this time as members of the cabinet, newly appointed. We are going to be taken through a number of presentations on how to work together to support the president in the exercise of his executive powers under the Constitution. I look forward to a very, very fruitful week. The permanent secretaries are also here. Basically, this retreat is about how to work together. It is called the whole of government approach. Not everybody should be flying their little flags on their desks in their ministries. We should work together in the interest of Uganda. So I really look forward to a fruitful week.
He writes about being woken up at 5:15 a.m. by military instructors shouting, "Here we don't sleep, we rest." Mao reflects on starting his day with devotions, quoting the Latin phrase, multi-territorial cholesterol thinner. Earth has many languages, but heaven has one. By 6 a.m., he was out on the road joining exercises, singing in a chorus, jogging up hills, and even lying flat on the tarmac for physical drills, accompanied by photos of himself by tracksuit, as also seen in his own post. Mao humorously concluded his update with a personal resolution: I have to listen to my body more. From the physical discipline of leadership comes to the emotional healing beginning in Gulu. It is momentous day for Uganda. Thank you for turning into the reports or focus on Acholi Site TV. I am Mark Brian, and stay tuned. And if you are subscribed and you ring that bell, we will always catch up in this very YouTube channel. Thank you.